Sari Sari! My name is Mel Roberts, and I work at the Sari Sari Oriental Market and Restaurant. And right now we're here at Adobo Cookout. And I'm one of the participants, and hopefully they're gonna like my adobo. And right now we're having a barbecue working right here. And this is almost done. Almost perfect. It's done. And super delicious. And thank you. Thanks for visiting us.
Right, capturing that footage. There you go.